In addition to the course text, there are 12 additional articles that you will need to obtain as required readings for this class. All of these articles are available full text and free of charge to you via the FAU Library's website. If you have never obtained a research article via the library site, this is a tutorial on how to do that. For the required readings, all 12 citations or the reference information is available in the required readings list. But let's first review APA reference format because the article citations are in APA reference format. The format typically begins with the author's last name or many authors, their first initial, the publication date, the title of the article, the journal name, the volume number, issue number, and then page numbers. So for instance, for an exact citation such as the Sunderland, Catalan, and Kendall article, which is one of the articles you have to obtain for this course, you can see the author's names appear in green, the publication year appears in blue, the title of the article appears in purple, the title of the journal appears in red, the volume number in green, issue number in yellow, and last, the page numbers in dark blue. To begin your search for this article, you have to go to the library's homepage, which is found at this web link, fau.edu/library. Once you get to their homepage, you will see on the left menu, Electronic Journals. Click there. This will bring you to the web page to enter your credentials. If you are off campus, that would be your FAU login. If you are on campus, then it will take you to this page, Electronic Journals. In this field, you want to put the journal name. And remember, for this article, it is in Disability and Society, so you would type Disability and Society in this field. Then submit. Once you hit submit, then this information should come up on the journal. This tells you what particular issues the FAU library owns and in what databases those can be found. So you remember you have the year 2009 as a part of your citation. So look at this list of dates to make sure that you're clicking on a database that has that year contained. So as you can see, Taylor and Francis, which is the first database, has from 1994 to present. So you want to click on Taylor and Francis. Once you do that, then this list of all the volumes that is owned by FAU will come up for the Disability and Society Journal. So remember, from your citation, your article was published in 2009 in the 24th volume, the 6th issue. So you want to go to volume 24, 2009. Click there. That will take you here. It will expand all the issues that were published for volume 24 in 2009. Remember, you need issue 6, so you click on issue 6. And that will bring you here, a list of all the articles that are available from issue 6. You can double check by checking the title, Missing Discourses, Concepts of Joy, Happiness, and Disability. And that's what's here as the journal article's name. Then go to the right here where it says download full text. Click there. Once you click there, then the article should come up as a PDF. It's recommended that you save this to your computer. If you like to read the hard copy, then you can print it as well. But it's recommended that you look up all the articles at once at the beginning of the course, so you might want to, for now, just put them all in a folder on your computer by saving the PDF. Once you do that, then you will have all the articles that you need as the readings come up in the course of the semester. You want to do this, you want to do this in the beginning of the course, downloading all the articles so that you have them in your possession as the readings come up in the course, as well as if there are any technical difficulties like websites being down and such, you already have them downloaded and you will be prepared for class. This ends this tutorial on how to look up full text articles via FAU's library's website. Remember, all the articles that are presented to you are that are required of you to read are listed in the readings list for this class. And you start by using the APA formatted citation to guide your search for these articles. Thank you.